Hi, I'm Jackie Miller. I'm the Canine Sanitization Technician here at the Rifle Animal Shelter, and we are doing one of our biggest fundraisers of the year. It is the Strut Your Mud event. It is a lot of fun. All the money goes towards medication, spaying and neuter community animals, helping with food. And these are just some of my little friends here at the shelter. Some have a little more special needs than others. I personally love my older dog. So anybody out there who has an older dog and you just love it so much, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to the one who just loves their old dogs. You couldn't live without them. So come and donate to my fund. And you will not regret it. We love our dogs, we take such good care of them, but it takes a village to do what we do, and we could not do it without you. So please help us help them. Thank you.